Oh. I hope it's... I wish we had better service out here. Where else could we go? What? It was a little guy. Little birdie. Oh, hi there. Oh, I got connection now. Hopefully it stays. Look at Ma's going around leaving. Food for the birds. Yeah, it is very nice here. Queenston Heights. That's Merca over there. Merca. The snow, we don't really have any left right now. The snow, we don't really have any left right now. Just slipped. Took a header. Got my eagle pick in that sweat. Waving hello. Hello, hello. I think that's Lewiston, New York. I believe. Across the river there. Glitchy? Yeah, I know. Bad service. Where? Bad service. Where?
Oh. That's a woodpecker. See the woodpecker?
No?
Oh, and a couple. Look, right here.
Oh shit. I got a red head. Oh, and a cardinal.
And a cardinal.
Wait, I can't see the cardinal.
He's waiting to come.
Oh, there it is. Bad service. Where?
Oh. That's a woodpecker. See the woodpecker?
No?
Oh, and a couple. Look, right here.
Oh shit. I got a red head. Oh, and a cardinal.
And a cardinal.
Wait, I can't see the cardinal.
He's waiting to come.
Oh, there it is. Oh, nope, there he goes.
He'll come back. There he is.
Eating over there. The picture's kind of grainy right now just because of the too. Maybe if I sit on here. definitely chillier by the water. All the spring birds.
There's another cardinal over there.
Oh my god, I wish it's not even really catching it for the most part. Seeing cardinals is a good sign, yeah. Got one right there. A couple blue jays.
Maybe if we like, what if we want to go that way?
I don't know, I think anywhere along the parkway I'm gonna be. Because I remember when I would go for my live drives too, I wouldn't really get service until...
Oh, look at the cardinals still there.
I know he's just chilling. Just chilling. It's nice when there's no wind. That woodpecker's cool. It's got like a highlighter head.
I know. The male.
Wait, which one is he on? Right there. The blue jay and the cardinal are just trading back and forth.
Now we've got the blue jay, cardinal, and red-headed woodpecker.
Yeah, all of them.
Can they see? Or is it frozen? Can they see? Can they see? Can they see? Can they see? Can they see?
It's crazy how they just came out of nowhere. Like they just spawned.
Oh, like you got a little guy beside you, right beside you. Beside you. Beside you. Beside you. Beside you. Beside you.
Oh. It's a party. The cardinal is my state bird.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Oh, then a little guy. Just a little guy. She's gonna get him.
She's getting the cardinal. I'm jealous right now.
I know.
Oh well, I'll come back.
He had perfect bait set up.
Yeah.
Oh, pesky squirrel over there.
No, that's okay. I like when the squirrels come east. I'm gonna bring peanuts for them.
Okay, maybe we'll try and find somewhere with better service.
Oh.
Oh. And if not, then we'll just go live when we get home. Look at all those chickens. Oh, squirrels down there eating away. Okay, ladies, we'll be back. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but if you can, we'll be back.
We'll try to find another spot.
Yeah, we'll try and find another spot. I love you. Bye for now.
There's a Oh, there's another woodpecker.
Oh, he'd hold. That'd be like torture for him. He'd be like, "Why are you teasing me?"